All right, guys, let's make us a super easy, super flavorful, high protein latte. Let's go. So y'all, before we get started on making our latte, you gotta grab all our ingredients. And today I am using the vanilla latte by Starbucks. We also going to be adding to this latte protein powder. I'm using the Premier Protein Whey Powder. It has 30 grams of protein in it per serving, you guys. So we're going to be using about half of serving size, which will be 15 in this high protein vanilla latte. We are also going to be using the Coffee Mate French Vanilla Cold Foam Creamer as our topper today. You're also going to need a frother so that we can froth up our protein powder inside this little glass mug here. And then we're going to be pouring all of our ingredients right inside this beautiful crystal goblet. All right, y'all, let's get mixing. All right, guys, so I have all my ingredients. We're going to get started by making our protein first. So again, I'm using the Premier Protein. It already comes with a scooper, so here is the scoop that we're going to be using. We're going to use 1 scoop. Add it to this here. And I normally either mix it with water or with milk, but since we're using the latte, we're going to just use a little bit of the latte mix and mix it all up. So just pour a little bit in a glass, and I'm going to start frothing or mixing the protein powder. So we have this mix. We're going to set it aside for a moment. Alright, guys, so to our beautiful crystal goblet, we're going to add our latte. Again, we're using the Starbucks brand, the vanilla latte. Next, we're just going to throw in our protein powder mix right into it. Mix it up again just to make sure that all of that protein powder is incorporated throughout our latte. That's good enough there. Next, we're going to be using the Coffee Mate French Vanilla right on top of our glass. We're just going to add our cold foam. And there we have it. One more step. And our last ingredients, guys, just because I have it, we're going to be topping it off with some caramel drizzle. This is the sugar-free caramel drizzle, so we're just going to use a little bit across the top just to make it nice. Like so, and there you have it, guys. We have us a vanilla latte. Cheers. High protein and delicious. And guys, this stuff is optional, but you can always add an extra shot of espresso to this latte to give it that extra powerful oomph and to cut down on the sweetness. Or you can always brew some extra coffee and add it to it as well. Cheers, guys.